Yojana. India Post Gramin Dak Sevak GDS recruitment for the year 2021. Apply online for 3,679 vacancies. India Post is inviting online application forms for Gram Dak Sevak Recruitment 2021. Now people can apply online for these vacancies at appost.in. The notification is released for vacancies in AP, Telangana and Delhi postal circles. All the interested candidates can now fill India Post Gramin Dak Sevak recruitment registration form, make fee payment and apply online for these posts. People can now check the education qualification details, age limit, selection criteria and all the other details here. So this job includes sale of stamps and stationery, conveyance and delivery of mail and other duties assigned by postmaster or sub postmaster. The GDS job also includes the work of Indian Post Payments Bank. Interested candidates can apply online for this post at its official website of India. The last date to apply for this recruitment is 26th of February 2021. Now comes to the details. Candidates holding the qualification of 10th pass can apply to the post through the online mode at appost.in. The online applications will be activated till 26th of February 2021. Indian Post AP Postal Circle GDS recruitment online application is ready starting 27th of January. The candidates who desires to apply online will have to register him or herself in the postal through indiapost.in. So I will leave all the direct links in the description. You may check them out. Now comes to the registration form. First, you need to visit the official website. This is the official website. At the homepage, you need to click on the registration tab. So this is the registration tab. So on scrolling over the registration tab, you can see the form. So registration is mandatory for applying online. One candidate should use only one registration. After completion of registration, you note down the registration number and keep it safe for the further reference. Only one registration number is allowed with the mobile number. Candidates who did not get OTP with old registered mobile number can change their mobile number. So this is the registration form. You need to enter the basic details like your name, mobile number, Aadhaar number, email ID, date of birth, gender, community and all the details regarding the 10th and this. So you can also change your mobile number here by entering the registration number, old mobile number and the new mobile number. If you have forgot your registration number or the fee ID, you can just enter your applicant name, date of birth and year of passing and click on submit to retrieve your details. Here candidates can enter all the necessary details accurately to complete the registration process. After making registration, candidates can proceed to pay online fee. Finally, candidates can apply online for this recruitment. All the candidates can download the notification specific to a particular postal circle to check the eligibility for the vacancies. So now comes to the steps to apply for this recruitment. Registration. Initially, candidates has to register in the registration module once per circle and obtain unique registration number. Now comes to the fee payment. So this is the fee payment section. You are OBC, EWS, male, trans man need to make fee payment. In case of online payment, if no confirmation is received after the deduction of amount from bank account, candidates can await up to 72 hours of a settlement. Offline payments can be made at any head post office. I will leave all the list of post offices also. So you just need to enter your registration number, mobile number and details. So extra service charges for net banking is 10 rupees and credit card is 1%. So you can make payment through the debit card. Next, make payment through apply online link. Applicants can apply online for this recruitment. So this is the candidate application form. You need to complete your registration details, application form, upload documents, choose preferences and print the application. First, you need to enter the registration number, circle applying for and click on submit. So if you have already applied, to know the Indian Post registration status, so you can go to the status check application status form. You need to enter the registration number, mobile number and applied circle. Now comes to the age limit. So all the candidates between the age of 18 to 40 years can apply for this post. Important dates to be noted. The start date of the online application is 27th January and the last date is 26th of February. Now comes to the education qualification. Secondary school examination pass certificate of 10th standard with passing marks in maths, local language and English conducted by any recognized board of school education by the government. The candidate should have studied the local language at least up to 10th. Now comes to the job summary. There are 3,679 vacancies in AP, Telangana and Delhi Postal Circle. So selection will be made as per the automatic generated merit list as per the rules based on the candidates' online submitted applications. So application fee for OC, OBC, EWS, male, transman is 100 rupees. So 2,296 posts are in AP, 233 for Delhi and 1150 for Telangana. So all the required details I will be leaving in description. I will leave all the helpline numbers, and for more details you can check out the official website. So all the notification details and all complete details in description box. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to India Yojana for more state and central government schemes.